Welcome. Today, we're over the moon to introduce you to our revolutionary H-beam punching machine. This isn't just another piece of equipment, it's a powerhouse of innovation. Picture this. With a simple one-click preset for hold distance and angle, it auto-clamps and calibrates, making it a breeze for a single operator to handle dense hole groups in massive steel structures like towering bridges and sprawling factory buildings. Our H-beam punching machine comes equipped with 8 standard alloy molds, designed to seamlessly work with 2400mm H steel. And get this, the punch head has an astonishing lifespan of over 100,000 times, ready to take on even the most demanding jobs with ease. But that's not all. The 7-inch touchscreen offers real-time monitoring and self-diagnosis, saying goodbye to the dust, burrs, and accuracy. Shoot, it's time to upgrade your workflow and boost your productivity to new heights. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, be the first to explore the future of steel processing with us.